Welcome to the channel Overseas Travel. Today's video mainly explains the various options of the Ultra PAYGO card on the official website login and the specific operation guide. First, we see the card homepage. The homepage will display the content of the package. Since it has not been used yet, the balance of the package will be displayed after clicking check. Currently, it shows that the package still has 100 minutes of calls, 100 text messages, and 100 megabytes of data traffic. Then the passes section shows whether there are additional data pass and voice pass purchased. These functions refer to the functions that are added for an additional fee when the traffic and phone minutes in the United States are not enough. The specific content will be mentioned in the function introduction section later. Here, because we have not purchased it, a red dot will appear after clicking check, and it will guide you to buy it. Column explanation. The first large column on the left column is my monthly service, and the first part is auto-renew. This is the same as the options for filling in credit card information and auto-renew when we activated it, but please note that the minimum renewal amount is $5 due to the bank's restriction on small transfers during auto-renew. Because the monthly rent is $3, the extra part will be in the PAYGO wallet of your account, so you don't need to worry. Here we did not fill in the credit card information, so the system prompts you to fill in the credit card information, just fill it in according to the actual situation. The second part is Manage Family Plan. Click to enter and you can see that our PAYGO plan does not participate in this activity, so you can just skip it. The second large column on the left column is Add-ons, which is value-added services. The first part of the value-added service is Recharge PAYGO Wallet, which is to recharge the wallet balance of your account. If the monthly rent expires and the operator cannot directly deduct the fee from the credit card, the corresponding amount will be deducted from the wallet balance. There are two options here, Ultra PAYGO Recharge Card and Credit Card. If you choose Ultra PAYGO Recharge Card, please use the recharge card purchased from the operator store or online to fill in directly. This is commonly known as the card code, which is generally 16 digits. After filling in, check will appear. After check, the amount will be displayed. Click Apply directly to charge it into the wallet. It is the fastest and safest solution. If you don't know how to buy it, you can also contact this channel. If you choose credit card, there are three options, namely $5, $10, and $20. If the amount is different or more, you can reach it through multiple recharges. The second part is Data Pass. There are two options, $5 for 24 hours, 500 megabytes, and $10 for 7 days, 1 gigabyte. It is suitable for friends who occasionally use it in the United States. In fact, the cost performance is not high. The third part is Voice Pass, which has two types, $2 for 1 day unlimited calls and $10 for 7 days unlimited calls. Please note that the data traffic and phone minutes of Data Pass and Voice Pass are for use within the United States. If you are not in the United States, please do not purchase these two items to avoid wasting money. The third major column is My Account, which is mainly about personal information. The first part, My Details, mainly fills in the name, email address, etc. Note that it is strongly recommended to fill in and record this part. If you forget to recharge and need the official customer service to assist in recharging, this information will be checked. This is one of the important bases for proving that this card belongs to you. The second part is Password and Security. The upper part here is used to change the password. The lower part is mainly SIM Protect, which is SIM card write protection. If you choose on in this part, you will need to double authenticate with you before you can reissue the card if the card is lost. If you can't remember the number and don't have the correct email address, you can't even reissue the card. So if you want to leave yourself a way out, it is strongly recommended not to check this part. The third part, Payment Method, is to fill in the credit card information. Note that if you hold a foreign credit card, not issued in the United States, you can fill in any actual address in the United States in the billing address below. Foreign credit cards will not check the billing address or send it, just for this step. The fourth part is Transaction History, where your recharge records and card opening records are displayed. Note that the same order ID indicates the same expenditure, so there is no need to worry about duplicate deductions. The fourth column is Preferences, which is mainly for personal habit-related project settings. The first part is Communication Preferences, which is mainly for email, SMS subscription and language settings, supporting English, Spanish and Chinese. The second part is Wi-Fi calling. Fill in the appropriate US address, and you can enable in this section, that is, enable the Wi-Fi calling function. For some Android phones, you need to fill in the address on the web page first, and then turn it on the phone. The fifth column is Support. Under this option, you can order replacement SIM, which costs $9.95 to be shipped to your US address. Then use Activate Replacement SIM to activate it. If you are not in the United States and you need to renew your card urgently, you can contact this channel. This channel can provide other faster ways to assist in renewing your card, but you still need to verify some information. Today's video mainly introduces the details of each column of the UltraPayGo web version. Pay attention to overseas travel. We will also bring more detailed information on the use of US cards. Thank you. If you have other questions or content of interest, please leave a message in the comment area.